go on a travel day. Blizzard Beach?
Blizzard Beach.
Here is a little picture for you guys of the transportation. If you want to screenshot it for your reference, if you're staying at any of these resorts. PF recommendation is 30. They've not updated our UV index. It's always nice that they do that. You've got your restrooms and dressing rooms right there if you just got in from a long flight. Hey Annie, I'll meet you at the bottom, okay? Have fun. Are you gonna scream really loud? Maybe. In Tike's Peak area, so there's like 3 major slides, and then you have this toddler area that is for some of your younger kids, and you'll see Annie, she's getting ready to come down it right now. Some of them she's like, oh, this is a baby slide, this is a baby slide, but I think it's really, really fun for all ages. She's 4, gonna be 5 in September. She's saying it's a baby ride, and she's still playing. Go ahead, Annie. Whoa! Hey! Oh, well, this is the baby section. That was a long slide. And then you have 3 other slides, the 3 major slides in Tike's Peak area of Blizzard Beach. You have 3 running by themselves. You have 1 body slide, and then you have 1 that they have to have a tube on. So a lot of fun things to do in the Tike's Peak area. Again, she's gonna be 5 in September. She still loves coming to Blizzard Beach and Tike's Peak. They've got like a little splash pad, and nothing wrong with the Frozen theming. It's a winner for all. You good? Yeah? Do you want to do it again? Yeah. Okay, go up there. You taking me to the big pool? Yes. All right, let's go.
You're taking me there because I don't know where I am.
You don't remember? Is that my hand? Wow! Amy, you're like professional. Wow! I'm so proud of you. That's so good, sis. Wow, that's a big... Woo! Gotcha! Stay focused. Stay focused. There you go. Stay focused. There, good job. Yeah, you did. Look at this wave pool that you're conquering. Which one do you want to do, Annie? Snowstormers or toboggan racers? So see those purple things, Annie? You're gonna lay on your belly and you're gonna hold on to the gray handles, okay? And we're gonna race. Okay. You're gonna win? Let's see. Yeah. Go ahead, Annie. Yeah, you got it. There you go. Watch where you're going. Thank you. Go stand on number 5. Okay? There you go. Are you somewhere in there? Perfect. Can I help you? Wait, get off your purple mat.
I got it.
Okay. Okay, Annie. Oh, okay.
Mark, set, go!
Annie! Lay on their bellies and then they go down the tube right there. Okay? You think you can do that? Yeah? Are you okay? If she's okay, I'm okay. again. Okay, this way. You came down that big tube. Did it splash in your face?
Yeah.
I'm glad you had your goggles on. Okay, we gotta wait for a tube. Come on, let's get a tube. Got it? Waiting for a tube, waiting for a tube, waiting for a tube, tube.
Here's one right there.
You see one?
Right there.
Tube is good. And this is the best kind of tube. That's what I think. And you don't have to fight, fall in. And she just swims. A little lazy liver is what she calls. Annie, what are we in? Lazy liver. Stay close to mommy and don't get around other people's tubes. You understand? Good job. No, it's not your fault. We're all just trying to be lazy. Gonna make us be in the lazy liver. 10 hours? We don't have that kind of time. Show me your relaxing swim. Woo! Go with the flow of the river, baby. Forced to also be brave. Good job. So proud. Are you the horse to my carriage? Okay. This is a good lazy river. Relaxing. Catered to. I just need a drink and a snack. You're funny. Break, horsey, break. Okay, be my horsey. Man, you're a fast horse. Are you like Max with a little attitude? What are you doing to me? What are you doing to me? You did?
Yes.
Flat on your back, your arms and ankles crossed front. Which one are you?
I'm sorry, baby. Oh.
Take a seat. Then take a seat. Back fully against the rack for a long time, okay?
Hold on.
I'm gonna hold on.
Okay.
Thank you, baby. Ready?
Go.
Here we go.
Here you go. Here you go. Here you
You what?
I'll get out first.
Okay, we'll get out whenever they tell us to, okay? decided that it was a good idea to eat lunch. Our favorite place is Lottawatta, and it's like right in front of the entire water park. And we do the mobile order, do kids chicken tender meals, and just chill out back here on the picnic tables. When I do place that mobile order, or more so like whenever I pick up my food, that's whenever I get a minivan. So there's not a direct, it kind of gets complicated depending on what resort that you're at. We typically get a minivan, and it's through the Lyft app, and I highly recommend. They have car seats, they're trained cast members, they're fantastic. They have cartoons in the car. It's great. So I highly recommend them. They will be here in about 10 minutes. So we are gathering up our stuff, finishing up our food, so it's perfect timing. Hey, is there a bigger one? Let's see if we can have a bigger one. Probably not. Here, we'll just park right here and then go in inside and change, okay? You good? Let's go and change.